Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I was gonna do a new kind of video. Here's just a robe in my house. Yep, it's very normal. I'm gonna be doing a house tour because why not? I haven't done one yet. It's just, I feel like my house is somewhat clean and ready to be presented. I don't know, it's as good as it's gonna get. So I hope you guys enjoy this house tour. I have lots of plants hanging everywhere. But not too many. I don't know. You tell me what you think. But anyway, let's start the tour. Cool. So let's start with this plant. This is called a Mr. Wesley plant. Hi. Say hi. Yeah, he's sleeping. It's fine. So here I have two pothos hanging right above this chair. And I made those hangers actually, and they're made with these little buckets. It's in my pothos video, but see how healthy they are? They're growing so tall, and I love the variegation on this guy. Just so gorgeous. This guy, look how big this leaf is. So chunky, but... So they just hang out right there by this window. And then up here just keeps shoving its way into the camera. This is my lipstick plant. I don't love the placement because she's kind of in the middle of the room, if you can see, like in the middle of this beam. So I'm trying to figure out a better spot for this plant, but for now, this is where she lives. And then by the window, I have my various succulent planters. This thing is going crazy, this one. It's just like, look at all these hanging down. Wesley almost knocks this over every day because these just keep hanging out, and he like whips his tail everywhere, and it's just like, I saved it multiple times from him just murdering the entire thing. So, but see all these little baby ones? They're just like loving this spot in this southwest window. And then this one has just gorgeous coloring. I love this succulent. It's just really beautiful. And then I don't know if you can see, but I have all my little air plants here. And I was giving them some direct sun because I thought they would enjoy it, and they really have. Like, their coloring has completely changed since moving them here. So I guess air plants, they love that direct sun because these guys are doing super, super well. And then I have my two desert rose seedlings that I started from nada. But look how chunky that little trunk is. Just so cute. And then its little twin here has a little more yellow in its leaves. But look how chunky that trunk is. I love it. I love you. You are adorable. I have to water them because they're getting a little dry. And then right down here is my avocado trees. They've been putting out some newer leaves, but my cat just keeps like chewing on them, so they keep kind of getting crispy. Ugh. But they're doing well. It's winter time, so they're not putting on intense growth right now, but they're still about 2 feet tall. And I'm gonna water them soon because it's been a while, but the new leaves are just so green and soft. I love these. Just so cute in that little basket, which matches the Monstera adansonii here. So I have my triplets, cactus triplets here in this very like southwestern looking pot. And this cactus here, this big guy I've had for at least 6 or 7 years. That's the big mama of the trio. And then look at this guy, and then look at the little baby. You see the baby? I'm obsessed. It's been getting bigger and bigger. And then I have a little turtle there, which matches the pot. Just randomly worked out. And then next to my gorgeous cactus is my Monstera adansonii, my prized jewel. Look at these leaves. I've cut it back so many times, and it keeps like reaching for the stars here. Like, look at that. But it does have some crispy edges because I try not to overwater it, and then that's the result. But look at all these new leaves coming in. Like, look at that. And then right above it, I have 3 more pothos. And these guys have been growing like insanity. Like, look at this entire thing. It's like 5 feet long just from that one tiny pot. And then these guys are their own separate beings. These two right here. These leaves are a little darker, but look how variegated this one is. And then look how variegated this guy is, just craziness. So this is like the whole corner right here. So all that, and then these guys right there. And then this guy I just got for my birthday. I forget the name. Here, I'll show you. It's called a blue hyacinth. And it just started blooming. It smells amazing. And I had it in the window, but I wanted to pull it away because I didn't want it to start burning. But it just started blowing up with these gorgeous like purple flowers. And all it has is just water, which I have to refill. And then right behind her, I have my beloved rubber tree, which has just been bulletproof and really pulling through everything. Just loving this spot by the window. And then another little rubber tree in there too. And then of course the Monstera Deliciosa. It hasn't been putting out new leaves because, it's kind of cooler and I've been holding back on water because it's been cooler. So she has her own little stand right there that I made for her in her terracotta pot. So this little section, and then right below is my disgusting looking chia pet. I have it covered in some plastic, but this is a little update for you. Look how nasty that looks right now. Isn't that gross? And then there's some growing on the hands and then all over its body. It looks so weird. But that's my little chia pet. I hate that. That like is so gross to me. So that's that whole little table right there. And then up here I have my prayer plant in its own little hanging area, and then another pothos. Aren't they just so pretty? So this is my whole living room. And then over by the door, it's a little darker back here, but I have another pothos trained up a trellis. And see how well, look how big this leaf is. Like, not even kidding. Sorry, I'm holding plastic. Look how big these are. This is one I adopted from my friend. Just the chunkiest leaves of all time. And then my peace lily, which has been real crispy lately. I don't think it likes the cooler weather we've been having. It's been a little darker, so I might move her closer to the light. But my cat has also been attacking it, which is no bueno. And then on my desk, sorry, it's a little cluttered. On my desk, I have this Pothos and Joy in my little terrarium. Just looking so gorge. Yes. And then above my fridge, I have more pothos. I just can't get enough pothos. But look how variegated this is. And this is in a darker part of the room, and it's still blowing up. It reaches towards the light a little bit, but look how much variegation I'm getting. It's just crazy. So that's right above my fridge. And then right in my kitchen window, I have my amazing weeping fig, my variegated weeping fig. And then right next to it is my umbrella tree with its own trellis that I built. But yeah, aren't these leaves just so cool? And they have like little ones growing in and all that jazz. Ain't she something? And then here I have my new plant, which is a silver-leafed philodendron. So it's been loving this spot, getting a lot of like indirect soft sun. And then my philodendron Brazil, which for some reason has been suffering ever since I got back from my trip. But I'm gonna save her, don't you worry. She's gonna be fine. And then here I have a little baby curly spider plant propagating. It has some crispier leaves, but it's been putting out new roots like crazy. So soon I will repot into a cuter vessel, as you know. But yeah, that's my little kitchen window section. And then lastly, in my bedroom, I have my little marble queen pothos in a little terracotta pot. And this pot I painted, but look at this new leaf coming in. It's so white. Isn't that so cool looking? I love the marble queen, but it definitely is trickier to grow. But she likes it in the back of the room. She's turning a little more green, but this new leaf is just so pale. That's pretty cool. Say goodbye. All right, so that's the end of the house tour, guys. My gimbal definitely died on me. I hope you enjoyed the tour. It was very short, like I, warned you, because I don't have a big apartment. And I try not to bring too many plants in, okay? I don't want to be have a wall full of plants. I'd rather have a few less and take even better care of them, so I hope this was a impactful video. Look at him looking at me. Hi, baby. Anyway, if you guys have not subscribed, please do. Please like or comment. Let me know what you guys think of my plants. Don't tell me if my house is gross. I would rather not know. Bye, you guys.